Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a VR for Deanna. Her channel is Blonde Amazon, and I will link that down below. She is hosting a birthday challenge giveaway. She's asking that we send something in to incorporate into her Mary Poppins golden book that she is turning into a junk journal. I went through all of my supplies and I was really surprised. I had absolutely nothing that was Mary Poppins related. I have a lot of Disney stuff, but I didn't have anything related specifically to Mary Poppins. So what I did was I watched her video again where she flipped through pages of the book, and I tried to incorporate items that she could use that color coordinated with her golden book. I just made a quick card. I like to make my cards as flat as possible so I can stuff more goodies on the inside. I used some letter stickers to spell out Mary Poppins, and this is the inside. I decided to go with the purple and green because on the pages Mary Poppins is wearing like a purple cloak coat and a green one. On this side, this is a belly band, and I have my note to her tucked inside, and I made this pocket using a Biggs Sizzix pocket die, and I cut it twice and glued the edges together to make the pocket. I figured she could use whichever side she wanted, and I made some green tags that she could keep in the pocket or use it somewhere else in her journal. It's a nice size too. She could even do journaling on the pocket. I have designed the envelopes to sit so when I fold the card, they are not overlapping so that it will stay within the flat mail requirements. On this side, I've created this little pocket, some ephemera pieces, a little umbrella, because I know there's umbrellas in that book. I did items that I thought she could add to some of the pages that will match, some journaling tags here, some cute words that I felt would go good with the book. And if she doesn't find a use for these, hopefully she will be able to pass them along to a pen pal or a different junk journal. On this side, I made this little pocket. I've included a tag and some journaling squares. And hopefully she'll be able to find a use of these. I also have an umbrella stamp and die set, so I decided to cut some of those. And I used this lined paper so that she could journal on it if she wanted to. This was the only style that I had. I tried to find one that was closed, but I didn't have one. So those go in there. And then I'm also including a sample of my dewdrops. I'm including the purple and the green to also match with the colors that I'm sending her. This is going to go out flat mail. It costs just a little bit more because of the weight, but because the thickness is below the 1/4 inch, it's not considered a package. Deanna, I hope you enjoy my entry for your junk journal. I'm looking forward to seeing all of the entries that you received and how your junk journal turns out at the end. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.